Place, Mid-Atlantic. Scene, the grand salon of a great westbound liner. A ship's concert is in progress. At a piano sits an attractive young Viennese, an unknown girl imported from tourist class because someone heard that she could play. In the audience, awaiting his own turn to entertain, sits a dark, graying, vital gentleman with bright black eyes. The girl starts to play. The man's eyes grow larger and larger, if they could grow any larger. They snap with a fire that has caught and held American audiences for many a year. Ruth Summer plays. Eddie Cantor listens, and Ruth wins a great and powerful friend. Before the passengers are out of customs, Eddie calls us up, and here is Fraulein Ruth. For us, she plays Claude Debussy's brilliant Fireworks. As its name indicates, a descriptive piece, illustrating in music a display of fireworks at Versailles. Or it might equally well be said to describe the personality of friend Eddie. Ruth Summer plays Fireworks.